Guys, we're at the Homestuck stuff. Apparently there's a fire drill, so everybody's coming out in cosplay. And people are probably sitting here like, damn it, I'm supposed to be in cosplay. Or I'm not supposed to be in here.
Took my horn.
I cut off your heads in the video. Who took everybody's horn?
I need my fucking horn back, please. He has my horn! I need my horn, give it back. John! John! Where's John? There's a John!
John, you're not fooling anybody, stop!
Oh shit!
Tricksters.
I can't.
I'm taking a video, so. We have. It's a fire drill.
This is necessary.
Hi. Yeah, we're doing a fire drill apparently. So yeah. I'm not videotaping you.